Welcome to the Storm Surge Simulation. In this simulation, you will investigate various factors that influence the potential destruction caused by the storm surge from a hurricane. You will examine a host of coastal and hurricane characteristics to determine their impact on the storm surge size and strength. To begin the simulation, first choose which factors you'd like to vary, either basic factors or storm factors. The basic factors deal with coastal structure, such as shelf width, water depth, and tide. The storm factors deal with storm intensity, wind speed, storm size, and forward speed. Whichever of these two factors, basic or storm, that is not chosen will be held constant for this part of the experiment. Here, I'll choose basic factors. You can investigate any of the three basic factors. To do so, click on the button next to the term. Here, I'll select water depth and then choose a shallow water depth. I could also manipulate shelf width or tide, but I'm going to hold them constant in this to isolate the impact of water depth on storm surge alone. Now I'm ready to run the simulation. To do so, simply click on the Run button. The hurricane will track across the area, and the damage assessment will present a cost estimate of the dollar value of the expected damages from the surge. The assessment also presents a relative damage indicator that ranges from 0, no damage, to 10, which is the maximum damage. The Reset button clears the current selections for the factor you are currently investigating. The Restart button returns you to the screen where you select which of the two factors, basic or storm, you wish to study. Small changes in where a hurricane strikes land can greatly affect the damage created by a storm surge. The Location button gives you three options for where you'd like the center of the hurricane to strike. Make sure to test all three locations to collect a complete set of data.